We are from Mass Clinic and Hospital. We are working more than 20 years to support all type of cancer patients including lung cancer in rural part of India. We have experienced oncologist and physician like Professor Dr. Shamul Kumar Sarkar, Head Radiation Department, and experienced more than 35 years. He started palliative therapy in eastern part of India. He involved more than 25 years experience in postgraduate teaching in radiation oncology and also involved in oncology drug trial. Dr. Debojyoti Manna, oncologist attached with National Medical College, Kolkata. He discussed every patient's clinical conditions and prognosis of disease with patient navigator as well as patient's family members. Dr. Aditya Narayan Sen, Fellows Royal College of Surgeons of Edinburgh, presently working in surgical oncology at Thakurpukur Cancer Hospital, Kolkata. Dr. Shubhendu Ganguly, oncologist attached with Tomluk Medical College. They jointly work as an oncology team in our hospital. Madam Ishira Bhattacharya, she at Mass Clinic and Hospital. She also involved in our awareness program and health camp. Dr. Deepankar Bhattacharya, director in our hospital and also a surgeon and serving more than 30 years for rural people. Initially, our motto was to stay by side of a cancer patient. But only hospital management is not sufficient for a cancer treatment. So additionally, we give more importance to their mental health. In our chemotherapy unit, we also try to give them a mental relaxation with our proper support. Also, we add some recreational therapy for their mental well-being. Another impressive news from us, providing more than 10,000 cycle of chemotherapy free of charges over the last 4 years is a significant contribution to healthcare in the rural part of India and a great service to those in need. Last few years, we found that there is a rising graph of female lung cancer, though some of them never smoke. So we focus to find out the reason behind this. In our home care part, we try to encourage our patients and family members' mental health. We try to influence their lifestyle in their own way and to improve their quality of life while undergoing treatment, as because every moment of life matters. In rural part, most of the public thinks that cancer is contagious. For this false belief, everybody try to isolate their patient. So our presence helps to break out the barriers.
আমার নাম অর্চনা, আমাকে এখন সুস্থ আছি, একটু ভয়ে আছি, ডাক্তারের ওষুধ খেয়ে এখন ভালো আছি, এখন সবাই যেন ভালো থাকি।
আমার নাম শ্রীকান্ত, আমি মাস্কিংয়ে চিকিৎসা হচ্ছি। আমার ফুসফুসিতে ক্যান্সার হয়েছে, সেই নিয়ে আমি এইখানে মোটামুটি আগে থেকে সুবিধা আছে।
একটু দাস বাড়ি কোলাঘাট বললো যে ছাতিয়ে জল জমেছে, সেই জল জমাটাকে আমি ডাক্তার দেখিয়েছিলাম। দেখানোর পরে জল জমানোর নিয়ে তারপরে রিপোর্ট করলো। রিপোর্ট করার পর দেখলাম যে এই জায়গার এই জিনিস হয়েছে। হ্যাঁ, তারপর এই হসপিটালে এলাম, সেখানে খুব সুন্দর ট্রিটমেন্ট করেছে। আগের তুলনায় আমি এখন অনেক সুস্থ আছি।
শরীরে আমার জল জমে গেল ছাতে, থেকে আগে উড়িষ্যায় খেতাম, তারপরে এখানে থাকতে কেমো দিয়েছে।
Retired teacher, ex-smoker. I am diagnosis lungs cancer. I receiving Mass Clinic chemotherapy. I am very happy. Mass Clinic. Well now.
We are organizing case presentation on lung cancer with our oncology patient navigator, hospital staff, advocates. This kind of collaborative efforts enhance the management of cancer care by promoting knowledge sharing, team communication, and patient-centered care. It's a wonderful initiative that can lead to better outcomes for patients and provide much needed support for both patient and their caregiver. For most of us, it was more than a job. It's a commitment to make an impact on the lives of the patients we care for and their families. We cannot change the outcome, but we can affect the journey.